Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra. Stock number is A7647. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Center console folded up is a third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have a rear backup camera and a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. And then you do have the soft cover on top as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this GMC on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.